The second website I want to show is BrainPOP Junior. This website is for ages K to 3. There is also an advanced website called BrainPOP that is from 3rd grade to 12th grade. This website has many amazing tools that teach young children that I love and think is beneficial to all young children. There is also so many things you can do. There is animated movies, educational games, interactive quizzes, virtual read-alouds, and more. Not only do they have these features, but they also have every subject you can think of, like science, social studies, ELA, math, health, art, PE, engineering, technology, and more. So this is the homepage of BrainPOP Junior. Over here is the movie of the week. Every week the movie changes. For now it is reduce, reuse, and recycle. All students can watch this. So if you click on the link, after they watch it, there are so many things you can do. They can take a quiz, they can take an easy or hard quiz, make a map, do creative coding, they have a fun activity, they can play games, and they can even talk to people or even make a joke if they like. On the bottom of this website, they give related topics that are related to the movie they just watched. So this is a perk that this website gives you every week. Every week is also a different topic and a different movie. Having a different topic and different movie each week makes the students never get bored on this website. Now if you go back and look on the right side here, there's all the different subjects. So for example, let's use social studies. If you click on that, they give you all these topics that they can work on, do research on, or if the students have find interest in and they want to discover more things about it. Let's click on biographies. They give you so many people on who to do a biography on. So for example, let's press Abraham Lincoln. If they want to learn more on Abraham Lincoln, there's a movie they can watch. They can also play games and quizzes on the bottom here as well. These quizzes and games are related to the movie. There's a lot of fun things to do on BrainPOP Junior. This is just one aspect of it. This is great for students because whenever they find interesting, they can find on the website and learn more about it. So now that if we go back to the main page, one second, there's also an option to provide an advanced setting. For this advanced setting over here, kick off the year or a 10-day plan, gives more games and more stuff to look at. There's also a lot of things to explore also as well. Right down here is Game Up. This is where you can find all games to play. There's fun games you can play here like Battleship Numberline and Matter Sorter. There's pretty much if you go down here, these are pretty much, Sortifies are pretty much a matching game. So for example, like this one is animals. So you have to match the birds and the eagles with the picture. And this is like all to see how fast you can do that. It's a lot of fun and a lot of kids have a lot of fun with that, especially the younger ages. Battleship Numberline is a fun game to play. It's a lot of students' favorites. So if you go over here and push play game, the website will load. So now you can choose any topics like whole numbers, fractions, decimals, and mixed bags. So let's go to whole numbers. And then you have to destroy 10 enemy ships and be aware of your time. So it's like a fun game that they can like play. It's a lot of fun. Now that we see how to play, let's go back. So this is pretty much a quick exploration of what this website is about. You can also find, if you go to the bottom, educators, an email to find out answers for your questions for your children's needs. This is pretty much all that you can do on this website. It's a lot of fun and it's a fan favorite. This is a fun website for children to play and definitely enjoy. Thank you for checking out my screencast about BrainPOP Junior.